day in paradise. It's like a mini track day every time I come through the gate. Just drove through Cal City, California. This was supposed to be the next up and coming LA. It's supposed to be growing into like the big city. However, the big machos that ran everything, they took all the people's money and kind of ran off. And another quick fact is Cal City has the biggest waste of water in California because of all the pipes. They laid down all the pipes and everything, but there are slow leaks, and all those little slow leaks in a big populated area that was supposed to be the result into that. So, a little cool fact. We're on our way to go see Red Rock Canyon, and we had to drive through Cal City to get here. So, should be pretty fun. Climbing rocks at Red Rocks. Hey, high five. Thank you. Good job. Come here. This way. Alright, so I know you guys are probably wondering what's up with this random vlog, but as you guys know, we've been planning a move for quite some time now. This will probably be the last little vlog you guys get here in California. So we came out here to advertise our shirts, get some more pictures out there, and then can't beat the sunset out here. And we're over here at Red Rock Canyon. Been out here with the Outlander, and now we're out here with my car. Oh goodness. So this is our last little vlog that you'll see here in California. And then we'll be hitting the road for our little road trip down to Florida. So we'll take you guys along with that. But the vlogs might be backed up. There's plenty of videos I still need to edit for you guys, from San Fran to just other little things that we've done. But hopefully you guys enjoy this little edit. Got some cool little shots out here. Follow my Instagram. It's SemperfiYoYo. I'll leave it down below and caption it right here. All right, say hi.
Say bye.
Say bye. Alright, so, but other than that, that's just a little quick update for you guys. We'll see you along our journey. We can't end it yet. We'll see you along on our little journey over to the East Coast. So, goodbye for now, California. And, yeah, never live your life on idle, and we'll see you in the next one. Merch will be down in the comment section below, the description below as well. Right? Say support the channel, go buy a sticker, it's free shipping. Let you guys know that. And then we might be taking it Etsy down for a little bit while we move to get ourselves situated. So other than that, like I said, never live your life on idle, and we'll see you in the next one.
Say bye.
Peace. Say bye. Want to touch this? Yep.